Welcome back to Learning with the Difference. News headlines in English for 29th of June, and first of all, national news. Assam floods, over 21 lakh people affected, Silchar worst hit. Twitter document showed center requested blocking politicians, journalists. Palanji Mistry, largest shareholder in Tata Group, dies at 93. He was the largest individual shareholder in the Tata Group with an 18.4% holding in the conglomerate. India G7 said committed to ensuring free and independent media. Deeply concerned by developments in Jerusalem, India at UN Security Council. Heroin worth rupees 1 crore seized from women on Assam train, said police. 31% of sitting Rajya Sabha members have declared criminal cases. BJP delegation from Gujarat has come to learn from Delhi model, says UP. Mukesh Ambani resigned from Jio, son Akash now chairman. And now some international news. 46 migrants found dead in truck near US city. Heat stroke suspected. Worst heat wave in 150 years put Tokyo power supply under pressure. At least 49 inmates were killed and dozens more injured early Tuesday during an attempted prison escape in southwestern Colombia. New York police removed 2,000 bees from Times Square restaurant. G7 leaders agreed to create climate club to tackle global warming. 5 killed in Pakistan after inhaling poison gas inside a well in Rawalpindi city. NASA launched nano satellite in a mission to return humans to moon. Joe Biden's wife daughter among 25 Americans banned from Russia. And now some sports news. HS Pranoy defeated Liu Darren in 62 minutes at Malaysia Open 2022. Mumbai Indians organized 3-week UK exposure trip for Indian domestic players. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.